Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap, and today we're going to make this little reindeer soap cookie. So I decided to make these about 5 years ago, I think. I first saw a similar idea with a cake maker, and I thought, oh, I could translate that into soap, or at least I thought I could. So we're going to see how much my skills have grown since I made this many years ago. I think I'm a little bit more neat-handed than this guy. Also, the reason I made these is not because they're so easy to use, because obviously they're not going to be easy to use, but I made them because I thought they would be really fun stocking stuffers. So here we go. So first you're going to need a slightly dry / cured soap cookie that's easier to work with. So that's the preparatory piece, of course, and then all the colors of soap dough. But I made these about 2 weeks ago, I think now. A week ago, 2 weeks ago, about 10 days ago, yeah. So that's what we're going to use for that. And if you've read any of my books, you know I usually start with a cone shape, oftentimes, or just a simple ball. But this time we're going to make sort of a cone-ish ball. So we want to have like that. And we'll build him right on the cookie. So let's look at him. And that's something I suggest too, is that to keep one example of all the creations that you make so that you can remember how to do this, because I could have this in my mind, and of course I can take a look at it as a picture. I have lots of pictures of, I have pictures of everything I've ever created, so I could do that, but it's so much nicer to have in person. And see, it discolored, the soap discolored. I don't remember what the base of that, but it is rather hard, and it'll still lather. So, but that's not why I kept it, because soap, you know, is nice to use within the first year or so of it. I kept it because I wanted to see exactly how I made it. So. So I think I made this maybe 2015 or 2016. So it's been a long time, and I only made a handful of them, so it's not like I have a lot of experience making these hundreds and hundreds. I did make quite a few at the time. I gave them away. So we want his antlers to lay on his back because they won't break off that way. So yeah, he still looks sort of like a hippopotamus to me. Let's do this again. So let's see, his eyes are going to go there, his nose is prominent. Let's see how he can do this. See, his backside is bigger on that one, I think, but we're going to work ahead anyway, so okay. I'm committed now. Okay. Okay. So I'll make his antlers. There's one little teardrop, sort of teardrop. I remember enough that they have to be small in order to fit both of them on. Okay. All right, let's see what we can come up with here. Because once I get this part done, then the rest of it seems like it'll be easy. Okay, is that right? Maybe just a little shorter, huh? We don't want them too high up. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so let's make another one and match them. Okay, that one's a little bit longer. Yeah, that looks more reindeer-like. I agree with that. I agree. Soap, I agree. Okay. There. Let's put him up here. Kind of moose slash reindeer-ish. So we're going to go with it. So that's the story of our house today, is not letting anything stop you from what you're trying to do for the day. Just keep moving forward, no matter what it is, even if it's not perfect. That's the story today. Even if you can't find your favorite tool. Okay, I found my favorite tool. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. So, let's make some eyeballs for him. This is my favorite tool right here, as far as eyeballs. I like that they're close together because it amplifies the fact that his nose is very big. So we're going to do that. And let me make some eyes. So I didn't have this all perfectly laid out. I had an idea what I wanted to do and show you. And I'm just moving ahead because there's so much that's happening. I'm trying to back up all my YouTube videos because I might not have a YouTube channel very much longer. No alarm, don't worry about that. You can always go to Library TV. Put a little sparkly in his eye. Okay, now we're going to make his the little cleft in his feet. So it looks like, maybe we'll do it like this. So he looks like he's laying down a bit. There. And then we'll put some shine on his eyes. So I've decided something. I've had a love-hate relationship with certain channels. So one of the things that bothers me more than anything is because of the way I'm treated. I'm not asking to be treated special, but I am asking to be treated fairly. So I'm going to make this channel entirely free. We're not going to advertise or allow anybody else to advertise anymore. So hopefully that helps, and then you don't have to be bothered with the ads anymore. But if you'd like ad-free and to support non-censored programs where I could actually speak, I use this platform to upload, which now I'll probably be uploading directly to Library TV, which I find to be a little bit more trade friendly, a lot more actually. So just scoot over to Library TV. It's free to use, there's no advertisement, and they even have an app that you could download to your desktop, and so you don't have to use your browser. So it's pretty cool. I'm happy with it over there. I have no arguments with them whatsoever. So I'm just putting a little shine on his eye. Nope. Give him a little spray to get rid of those bubbles. And now we're going to put the Christmas part on. And let me find some green. I'm going to put this neon green. This neon green is coming out this week, by the way. I don't know about you all, but I want to live in a world where things are a semblance of reality. So if I say I can do this with soap dough, for example, and I show you how to do it, that means that it's real and it's possible. And then I'll do my level best to help you achieve what I achieved. And that's why I've written or authored 5 books. I've written 4. I say the last one didn't have enough text to consider it writing. It had lots of pictures though. If I tell you that, you know, if you make this recipe, you can make some soap dough, or this is the process that I use, it's not because I'm making anything up, it's because it's the truth. And we have to live in we have to have some place where there is truth. So I don't know about, like, again, I don't know about you guys, but I'm dead tired of people with outright trickery and outright lies. I'm just dead tired of it. So if they say they're going to do something and you agree to the terms and they don't do it, I don't want to be blamed for that. That's not mine, you know, or people making false claims and all this kind of garbage. I'm not okay with that. So let's see. This side seems bigger. Let's do that side, even though I put the other one on the other side. And then we do this. Now you could put that anywhere you want, obviously. but that's where I chose to put it. So there you go. A little reindeer soap cookie. And if you have the patience and the time and you feel and the inclination, I'm happy to help you. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Follow me over to Library TV. That is an awesome place to watch. And I have over 300 blog posts, and I've authored 5 books, all on the topic of soap dough. So I'm pretty sure if you need help, I could probably help you. Granted, I will ask a lot of questions because I just don't assume things. I want to find out facts and information and how things are the way they are if you have a question about something. And so if I ask you a lot of questions, just know that I'm trying to investigate and get to the bottom of it so I can help you the best I can. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope that this helped. Okay.